Like a man. Like a man.
What we got here is another consecutive day of sunshine. And I think some rain's supposed to be coming in tonight. And then it's gonna be like 50% chance of rain like all week. So like all this upcoming week, rain again. I'm on my way to Flowood, Mississippi. It's about maybe 30 minutes from where I live. I'm actually pulling to the apartment complex like any second now. Yeah, there it is. But I'm here just to do a maintenance detail on the Honda Accord. I've done this vehicle before, and I was able to get this customer just by being seen. I actually have a client that I do in this same apartment complex. He saw me doing her vehicle, and he inquired about me. She gave him my information. He called me up, and I've been doing this car ever since. Look for those. May have to give him a call. I don't see his car. He usually parked right at the front there. But I know his apartment is around here somewhere. That's okay. Let me see. I'll just give him a call. There he is over there. It's this red Honda right there. He must have moved to another building because he used to be like right up front right there, but that's cool because I can wash it right here. I can just wash the vehicle right here. I'll just move it over some. That way I don't have to be all in the way. Because they have a car wash here. You know, you put the little dollars, little quarters in it, and sometimes I do it there, but people be coming, I be in their way, so I don't have to be in their way. Hey, now how to do a maintenance detail. It's simple. You will agree over time when you develop your own method. See, in the beginning, I copied other detailers' methods, then I added my touch to it so it can fit me. After inspecting the vehicle, then I know how to tackle it. In this case, let's start with the exterior. I generally like to start with the wheels and tires. There's a lot of wheel and tire cleaners out there, but for right now, I'm using Purple Power. In most cases, it's spray on and spray off. Don't ask me the dilution ratio, I need you to Google that. Some products do have dilution ratios on the back of the bottle. The reason I use the greasers as tire and wheel cleaners is because the product cleans both very well. I don't have to buy two separate cleaners. Oh yeah, don't forget to rotate them tires 180 degrees. Apply the product again. I also use Purple Power for bugs and tar. Please be careful. The greasers are not designed to be used on painted surfaces, so dilute heavily. Make sure the surface is cool and wet before applying. Work the product in and rinse immediately. If you're not comfortable with this, there is an alternative. This, yeah, that's a bug sponge. It's aggressive enough to remove bugs, but not aggressive on your paint. Look for this at Walmart in the car wash aisle. This was the prep, now it's time for the wash. I'm using wool wash mix, a 5-gallon bucket with a double grit guard. I wash from top to bottom. I'm confident that I won't catch any tar or grit on my mix because I already handled that situation in the prep. I wash panel by panel without introducing dirty mitts onto the unwashed panel. This is done by either flipping the mitts to a clean side or cleaning them with the double grit guard. Wash the sunny side last. Rinse and dry first. I like to use absorbers to dry the vehicles, simply because it keeps my costs down on washing and buying new towels. The tire shine of today is McGuire's Hot Shine Tire Coating. Oh yeah. Don't forget to rotate those tires again 180 degrees. I almost guarantee that you will miss the spot if you don't. Part 2 is going to be the interior, so stay tuned. Subscribe so you won't miss part 2. Go join the New Wave Facebook group by A&A. Shouts out to the New Wave. Peace.